Hello everyone. Today, we are going to show you how to create NYSC profile. The National Youth Service Corps, NYSC, is a mandatory one-year program for Nigerian graduates, designed to foster national unity and development. A critical first step in this journey is creating your NYSC profile. NYSC portal requires prospective Corps members to create a secure profile to proceed with registration. This guide provides an exhaustive, step-by-step walkthrough to ensure you navigate the process seamlessly, avoid common pitfalls, and safeguard your personal information. Creating your account profile as a prospective Corps member is much simpler than many people may think. For your security and privacy, it is strongly recommended that you create your NYSC profile personally, as it involves sensitive information. What you will need: the following details. A valid and accessible email address. National Identity Number, NIN. Matriculation number. JAM registration number. Phone number. Secure internet connection. And any of smartphone, tablet, or computer. Now, let's go on. So, you are going to open your preferred browser. You can use either of following: Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and so on. And in this lesson, we are going to use Google Chrome browser. Once your browser is launched, search for the NYSC portal, or use the appropriate link provided and wait for the site to load. Once the site is loaded, on the home page, locate and click the Mobilization tab as displayed above on the red bar. On the next page, which is where you will select registration option. Select Fresh Registration if you are registering for the first time. Also select Revalidation if you are among those PCM who were deployed in previous batches but did not report to camp, or those who missed camp in the previous batch. Then, next stage is where you will initiate account creation. Here, you are going to input your email address. You can use any of the following: Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, or Hotmail. Please avoid using temporary emails. Make sure you input a valid and accessible email address because they are going to send an activation link to that particular email address. Then confirm your email address. Now, let's go to Secret Question. Here, you're going to select Secret Question. Choose a secret question from the drop-down menu. Example: what is your mother's maiden name? Select a secret question you can easily remember, because you may need it when you forget your password later on. Input the answer to the secret question. Then, down here, you will confirm the answer to a secret question. Review and cross-check all entered details: email, secret question, and answer. Click Continue to proceed. A confirmation message will appear. Something like, your email address has been saved. A confirmation link has been sent to your email. Check your inbox or spam. And click on the activation link in the mail to continue. The activation link from your email will take you to the final stage. You are to provide the following here: name of the country you graduated from. For instance, you can select Nigeria if you graduated from Nigerian school, or any other country where you graduated. Name of the institution you graduated from. Choose your institution from the drop-down. Example: University of Lagos. JAM registration number, as found on your JAM admission letter. Matriculation number. After that, then wait as the portal cross-checks your data against the Senate list, a database of graduates as approved by the Senate. Wait for the portal to fetch your information as uploaded on the Senate list. If the information provided is correct, the portal will display your full name, course of study, class of degree, date of graduation, and JAM registration number, as shown here. Input and confirm your phone number. Also create and confirm your password that will be used to access your NYSC portal henceforth. The next thing is to click on Agree button. Then, click on Submit and Continue. Congratulations! You have successfully created NYSC profile. You can now go for biometric capturing, where your fingerprint and face will be captured. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos.